Okay. Okay. We continue back. Okay. Before I continue with unbalanced load, I want to show you. Okay. You have to look at the textbook. Okay. So you can see here, we already complete this. Okay. In the previous video. Okay. And now we focus on the unbalanced load and as well as NALI problem-based learning topic 1, part 1, power factor correction. Okay, for this case, okay, for this case, you have to look here. Okay, you have to look, I give you example 12.6 before. Okay, and you can see here, this is some practice if you want to try it yourself. Okay. Okay, 3 example. Okay, and if you look at example 12.8, okay, this is what is NALI. Okay, NALI 1 means. Okay, power factor correction, same as almost same as the single phase, but this one focus more on the three-phase system. Okay, so for this case, I will not show you because it's not in the syllabus, because the syllabus only focus on the single phase. But if you but you have to learn it also because this one is in your assignment, extracurricular. Okay, so it is almost the same as the single phase, but for this case you have to be careful. You have to divide the power. Okay, the power is given. Okay, if you look here, okay, for some case they give load for each phase, but sometimes they also give load at all phases. So you have to make sure that you divide by 3 if they give the load for all phases. Okay, so you have to understand this and try to apply the power factor correction. Okay, so you have to apply C after that, and then you have the practice, and then after that you have to finish up the NALI 1, which is the assignment. Okay, assignment 1. The mark is, if not mistaken, 5 or 10 something. Okay, so make sure you try to understand this yourself. Okay, that's it for NALI. And now we continue with the unbalanced three-phase system.